Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be taking you through the procedures for using wood putty. The areas that we used pin nails on to hold our board while the glue dried will have small nail holes that we're going to need to fill with wood putty. You want to buy wood putty of the color that you're going to stain your piece. So my piece is going to be stained golden oak. So I've chosen to purchase a golden oak colored wood putty. The first step is to get just a little bit of wood putty and press it in those holes. Any excess you want to make sure that you wipe away. After you have all of your holes puttied, you want to come back and give it a quick sanding just to remove any excess.